That's your skeleton. Ayan, there you go. Which is the front, which is the back. Oh, same. Protrudence.
Naririnig ko kayong nag-uusap. Kala ko naman gumagawa ng assignment itong isang ito. Yung pala, nagbi-build pala.
Daddy, kahit ano yung harapan.
Hindi ganun. Yan. I don't know already. You turn and turn. Sige, just put it. Put it in. Okay? Oh, not okay yet. Not okay, it's so loose. Ito. And daddy need paste sticker again. Ay. No, the other side. The other side. You need to clip down here. Here. Make it buo. Line up. Make sure it reflects properly. Okay na? Oh yeah? Patingin? Okay na. Okay na ba? Okay na. Okay na. Got another one, yeah. You know what to do, right? The other one, nah. Yeah, no, put together first. You need to keep there. Okay na? Okay. Okay, and then F. Okay.
Dito.
Yeah. Sa kabila. Careful, don't break it, no? Make sure it's straight when it goes in, if not it will break. Oh, be careful, might break it. Having hard time ba? Very sure how to put it below. Yeah, correct. Can you see this? This one? Gaya-gaya mo this side na.
Gaya.
Oh my god, so much more sticker.
Tinuturuan mo pa ng ganyang hobby yan si Una. Expensive hobby pa naman.
Okay na.
Expensive hobby. Okay na?
Hindi pa. Ano yung 8 inches?
Yung laki, yung haba, pangkad.
Gano'ng kalaki yung 8 inches?